Hey guys, how's it going? How to reset cpanel password GoDaddy short. So first of all, go ahead to the cpanel website, right? And then go to the GoDaddy, right? GoDaddy website. Basically, what you're gonna do in your cpanel, log into your GoDaddy account, and then sign in. Log in with GoDaddy username and password, and then access the hosting dashboard. Once logged in, click on the upper right corner and select My Products, and then from the drop down menu, and then under the web hosting, just locate the GoDaddy account associated with. Let me just go back right here. See, the internet is very bad, so sorry about that. And under the web hosting section, locate the hosting account associated with the cpanel that you want and reset. Click on manage, and you can reset the cpanel password. And under the setting, look for the login information. Click on edit next to the cpanel password field. Enter the new password in the provided field, and click change password, and then you will receive a confirmation that your cpanel password has been changed successfully. So your cpanel password should now be reset, and you can log into cpanel using the new password in the GoDaddy. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.